Okay guys, just doing an update on the Monte Carlo with the nasty LS3 swap. We had a bit of bad luck with the new Ford 9-inch rear end. I did not upgrade the studs or know to upgrade the 7/16 studs that the factory 10-bolt came with. When I put the axles in, I didn't tell my build shop that built the 9-inch to upgrade them. And I was on a back road when I gave her. Broke every single stud at the same time, and this rear wheel there came flying off, and the car went straight to the ditch, man. I tell you, Rich Petty couldn't have steered his way out of that one. Check it out, guys. You can actually see when the tire broke off the car, it hit the trunk and it left the tread impression in the trunk as it rolled up and hit the roof. Now it's rusting. But the tire bounced off the trunk, hit the roof, bounced into a field and into a culvert. I got myself a new door here. It's off a 77. It's got the original side trim on it and the chrome reflective bottom moldings. It's a little beat up, but the inside, it's not beat up, but it's like, you know, it's in the rough. Got the new shocks installed. I've touched all the paint up over the winter. Made everything nice and shiny again. I took a wire wheel and ground it all down. I got the QA1s, the upper adjustable trailing arms on both sides installed, and the new shocks. I'll get the rear quarter fixed. I got one here. I'm just taking the front end off the front clip that I bought. I'm currently power washing it and cleaning her all up to get her back in shape to put on the front end of the 75. Check it out, I just threw the front clip back on it. Look at this thing, it's shining nice. Oh hell yeah. This thing is clean now. Very clean, inside and out. Looks really good. Installed the cutouts on this baby, wireless, so you got loud mode and quiet mode when you need. We're gonna switch her on to loud mode for this. We'll fire up, we'll hear that cam.